We are back with Dr. Amanda Parrish with Cone Health Behavioral Health Services, talking about taking care of your mental health, especially during the winter months. What about if we need, or someone in our family needs to talk to someone? What are the steps that we need to take for that?
Yeah, of course. So, help is absolutely available. At Cone Health, we offer in-person and virtual psychiatric appointments, making care more accessible. If you or a loved one, if you're worried about their safety or if their symptoms escalate to the point where you are worried about them harming themselves, you can call or text 988. That's the National Suicide and Crisis Lifeline for immediate support and local resources. You can also go to the nearest emergency room if you're worried about that. For Guilford County residents specifically, we have the behavioral health urgent care. It's on 931 3rd Street in Greensboro. And that is a mental health urgent care that's open 24/7. And they can provide immediate evaluation and next steps for you.
Okay. All right. So, seasonal affective disorder, winter blues, that's one thing. But how about we talk about caring for our overall mental health awareness? What kind of steps do we need to do on a everyday basis?
Yeah. So something that I like to tell my patients is that mental health, like wellness, is built through small, consistent habits. Um, the first thing that I like to tell them is challenge those negative, unhelpful thoughts. Our thoughts, our feelings, our behaviors, they're all connected. So learning to notice and gently reframe the negative thinking can really improve our mood over time. Another thing is to stay connected with your loved ones. Ever since COVID, we've really been experiencing a real epidemic of loneliness. So, regular connection through calls, text, even like just shared meals with loved ones. If you notice that someone that you care for has been withdrawing a lot, just sending them a text, giving them a call, trying to reestablish that connection is really important for our mental health. Other quick things you can do: protect your sleep. Quality of sleep improves your mood, improves your focus.
Mm.
Live an active and healthy lifestyle. Physical activity releases really good hormones and improves that sleep. Make sure you eat balanced, healthy meals and, engage in meaningful activities, hobbies, creativity, learning something new, purposeful work for yourself that makes yourself happy can really support your mental health. And
All right.
above all, yeah, go ahead.
Okay. Well, I was going to say, what about, parents and caregivers? Sometimes we're the ones that have our own like anxiety or our own depression, and we want to kind of shield our kids from that. How do we not, make it something that they're having to deal with all the time?
Yeah, that is such an important question. As a parent myself, I understand how hard this can be. The goal isn't to be a perfect parent, it's to be really intentional. You really acknowledge your feelings without placing any emotional responsibility on your children or on the ones that you're caring for, and really try to model healthy coping. If you need to, take breaks, ask for help, practice self care, and your children just seeing that, and they can learn mental health resilience just through watching you, because they really do soak up everything that you do. But it's really important to really ask for help if you really need it, because we don't want to put those feelings on our children, and get that help early if you need that support. Taking care of yourself is taking care of your child.
Yeah, I think sometimes we as adults have a hard time doing that, right? Taking care of ourselves, we want to take care of somebody else. So thanks for giving us the permission, right, to do that. I so appreciate
Yep,
that.
you have my
If you,
permission.
if you need to maybe send this to someone else, maybe you need to listen to some of this again, this is going to be in the 2-year well-being section of our website. Thanks so much for joining us.